Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can remove columns from your sheets on Smartsheet. So let us dive right into it. Head over to Smartsheet, log into your account and select one of your workspaces. So I can go with this one here for the sake of the tutorial. After that, select one of your sheets inside your workspace, so your dashboard. So I can go with that project sheet here. And last but not least, guys, what you want to do is select one of your preferred views, like a Gantt view or table or board view. Let me go to table view so that we may be given access to these columns. As you can see there, your tables may contain several columns, like columns assigned to tasks, the status, the assigned workspace members, and so on and so forth. So if you'd like to remove the entire column because you don't like it, let me go, for example, with that column here to the right, drop down list. Simply right click into the given column and select delete column, or use the shortcut Alt Shift Backspace. So let me do that really quickly. And there you go. As you can see, the column has been removed. You may also create a new column by clicking into this button here, or also insert a column between two of these by right clicking into them and select insert column right or left. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you delete these columns in your tables on Smartsheet. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.